Hey guys, it's August 5th. I look absolutely crazy, but I'm about to get my hair done finally. These are how my nails came out. I forgot to record because me and the nail tech were just like literally kikiing, chatting it up the whole time. But I like her. Let's see how long they last and let's go get this hair done.
Whip, body, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most.
Hey guys, so today is Monday the 8th. I'm currently about to get my lashes done. Hair and nails are looking bomb. My skin is acting up. It's because of my period and I've been a little bit bad on my diet or whatever, but let's go get these lashes done, period.
Don't put me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' by money, bake. Sit back and roll a whole eighth. Smoking that shit to the face. I call it cool, different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slum of the day. Trouble if you come from the hate. Strip back and off, ain't wait. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke all back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley move, same. 2018, the new range. Slip through that shit, ease the pain. Like you a simple pain. Rico and Sack on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Drip on your bitch like a saint. I'm tryna stack on my ring. I'm about to blow like a tank. Wire that shit to the bank. How much you want for that rate? Ain't for winches and I'm finna skate. Roll this scotch well in the face. Getting the race at the stage. Put that little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I put them blow the car. That was the coldest water. That was the coldest water. I'm tryna own the water. It's so the water. Bring out the rest of my business. Still shooting dice at the palace. I'm kinda cool, can we get it? And kinda he still in the left. I treat these little hoes like some mags. They stick to the kid like a man. They talking about me, call me daddy. Slap face, I'll never forget it. She probably didn't know she was with it. And she drip from my mouth to the titties. At the moon, cause she fucked the whole city. I'm just saying that shit gon' be lit. You a hater, I want you admit it. I want you to expand your personal business. The person gon' cost you some business.
Okay guys, so I just finished getting my lashes done. Literally, y'all, Odalis is literally the only I say this in every single vlog, but like, my skin is so bad. Like, my period is like fucking my skin up. But are you kidding me? Like, hello? The reason I like coming to her is because like she's professional, she's cool, I feel like she's reasonable. Like, I feel like in LA you're not gonna pay less than like my lash sets are $160 with the bottoms. I feel like you're not gonna pay anything like less than that. Ooh, this little baby was like about to run in the street. But I feel like you're not gonna pay anything like a less than like that price. And like a big thing is like when I finish my lashes, my eyes are not like red. Like, they're not red, they're not hurting, they're not irritated. I love Dallas, period. Hey y'all, it's Saturday the 13th. It's dark, I'm in my car, but we're about to try to go to Fit and Feathers again. So let's go. It's around 9 p.m. Makeup looking tea, but it's dark so you can't really see, but let's go.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long.
So I'm leaving Fit and Feathers. It was cute, it was a vibe, and she's nice. it was cute. It was definitely a vibe. I got chicken and waffles, and I don't know, like, I only got one drink, and we did hookah, but I literally just threw up. I don't know what that's about. Like, the drink wasn't strong. I think it was the hookah or the food, because I'm like so nauseous right now. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. I'm about to go to dinner. You guys know I have an aunt that lives out here in LA, and my grandma, which is her mom, is out here visiting, and today's her birthday, so we're about to go to dinner to celebrate. And yeah, let's go. I'm about to go like pick up a card. It's like 5:45 and dinner is at 6.
Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, minute, hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wait, pop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that A-con, baby, butter pecan, bringing out on a refund, bringing out back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the dick, keep it get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speeding the bitch, I still got my foot on their neck.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday the 16th. My hair looks crazy, don't mind it, but I'm about to go get my toes done. I told you guys that my grandma is here in LA, and they asked me if I wanted to spend like one night in Vegas tomorrow, so we're going to Vegas for like literally a night, and yeah, let's go get my toes done.
Magnificent.
I'm about to go to Starbucks and get something to drink real quick, and I just ordered some sushi. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so it's obviously later on. I need to start packing a little bit. I'm not taking a check bag or a carry-on bag. I'm literally just gonna take my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, because look, we get in, I mean, y'all know I live in LA, so like Las Vegas and LA are like literally, I think it's like a 3 or 4 hour drive and like a 1 to 2 hour flight. So we get in around like 12ish, and then we're leaving the next morning. My flight is at 9, so literally we're only staying for that night. Like, we're gonna do whatever during the day, maybe go to dinner, and then come home that next morning. So I just feel like I'm not paying for no carry-on. I'm not paying for no check bag. Yeah, so this little bag, somebody sent me a free wig. So a company sent me a free wig, and they sent me this bag with it. I had like all these little goodies in there, but see, they sent me all these goodies. I'm just gonna pack this with my makeup.
Straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys, straight up. Louis V shirt with no sleeve. Oh God, slaughter gang nigga, I'm reppin'. 21. Chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. Call him new era, he capping. Yeah, them the type of niggas I ain't back on. Now book a show, man, my bag can't cash it. 21, the sound dog, I'm taxing. Riding in the coupe and it's a sport. Yeah, my bodyguard look like a horse. She gon' set me up like it's a toy. Oh God, to the La Ferrari on the tour. Buy what you mean when I get bored. Bored. Put my side piece inside a Porsche. A Porsche. Wanted to turn me to an asshole. I ain't gon' lie, I was used to being poor. I put Chanel on my feet, and European model got Chanel on my seats. Put me in a third world country in the middle of the slums, I'ma turn it to $1 million street. On for real, I made this, so it's $1 million beat.